Hi, I'm Dana Corey. We're here at InfoComm 2023 in the Avocor booth, 3671. We're showcasing our new L series, a 21 by 9, 105-inch ultra-wide display that really gives you the canvas to really expand it, as we'll see with our friend Josh here from T1V. Just the ability to bring in more content in a single space, have multiple users going up there, but really showing the design and the PCAP touch technology by Avocor. And to my friend Josh here from T1V.
Yeah, thanks Dana. Hey, I'm Josh. We're really excited about the L series, the 105-inch display, 21 by 9 aspect ratio. For our ThinkHub visual collaboration solution, having it on this larger format, it just optimizes the whole collaboration experience. Before, when we'd have 16 by 9, you had a certain amount of space, but it's really great to be able to bring up lots of content, as Dana mentioned. That's one of the beautiful things about ThinkHub, is an end user can bring up all kinds of content, from PDFs to sketches to even browsers that they can move around, and now they have even more space to be able to engage with that and collaborate. So yeah, super pumped to be here with Avocor, and yeah, come by the booth. We'd love to see you.